I worked in a digital marketing agency for last 3 years and currently working in a fintech bike agency, handling digital marketing and remarketing campaigns. Over the 6 years of experience, I worked with different brands for different activities. I have done Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, content writing for fintech domains, for SaaS companies, for edtech brands. Currently, I'm working with CEO very closely with CEO in understanding of lenders' requirements and everything, and doing remarketing campaigns. Connecting with the clients and everything on a daily basis to understand their business and growth for the company. In terms of skills acquired over the company over the time is like performance marketing and complete end-to-end digital marketing, not only digital marketing but definitely working with the call center team to understand the conversion ratios and everything and driving growth to the company. Apart from that, client servicing, client relationship, these skills I have acquired. Definitely, world is all about AI. Most of the digital marketing tools have become like AI driven. Um, while I still feel like if fresher want to join the industry, definitely there is a role of AI, but at the same time they should have the understanding of overall marketing angles, growth of the companies, and business understanding and everything. They should not morely dependent on the AI, because with that they won't be able to learn the skills, or they won't be able to understand the market and the actual need of the business. So there is a role of AI, but not completely for freshers. Paid marketing, definitely more of the performance marketing side, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn Ads. In terms of analytics, definitely more of Google Analytics. Apart from that, there are some tools which give you the understanding of how user is behaving on your website, kind of heat map generation tools like Microsoft Clarity. Apart from that, we have used Zoho for CRM analytics and everything, to understand the customer journey and driving the remarketing campaigns from the CRM. If customer is stuck in the funnel and everything. Apart from that, definitely we have in-house analytics tools also to understand the user persona, buyer persona, and the funnel, overall funnel in the organization. It is helping, like AI is helping in terms of content, or in terms of headline or website or landing page creation, which is reducing the time. Apart from that, there are some tools in the which gives understanding of your overall website health, like SEO health, and that's also giving more idea of how optimization can be done on your website, so your website can rank. And apart from that, still there are some methods without AI, which are working, which is paid backlinkings or backlink generation, where still AI can't help. But in terms of content and in terms of understanding the optimizations, AI can be helpful. I'll suggest the student to enroll to the complete digital marketing program instead of only one section, because they will get understanding of all the areas, and then they can decide which interest them most, and they can make the career out of it. If they are choosing one option only in the start of the program, then it will wide the career options to them. So it's better they can enroll for the full program, and after understanding all the modules they can choose any modules that which best suits to them.